Now the truck that is sitting behind me today is a 2012 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition, and while there's no doubt this is a beautiful truck, the inside of this thing is really gross. Alright, moving to the box liner, which is absolutely filthy and covered in dirt, and just like any rubber floor mat, I'll first spray it off, then using some 4:1 APC, I'll agitate with my green drill brush and blast it clean after. And if you've ever wanted to see the footage of the extra floor mats from a vehicle, as I don't usually show them all in these videos, well, those usually end up over on the second channel every few weeks. Now, because I know you guys wanted to see this, and to be honest, so did I, here's the start of the massive hairball you're going to see after I finish vacuuming. Alright, so moving to the underside of the rear seats, and the fact that there isn't a firm backing underneath the fabric, it makes it a lot more difficult to get all the hair out. But after going over it with the vacuum, I'll grab the lily brush, and while this is probably a worst case scenario for the brush, it still works really well, and without it I'd have been here all day. So if any of you guys have ever struggled with pet hair in your vehicle or at home, I've got the lily brush available on my website at detailgeekautocare.com. And I would highly recommend picking one up, as they work really well, and for only $13, they're worth their weight in gold. Moving to under the seats now, and you can probably already tell, but the carpet in here is pretty good quality, and combined with the fact that the hair isn't super wiry, it's not really embedded in the carpets too bad, and the vacuum can actually get it all out. So I'm thankful for that, because as you've seen in previous videos, some hair can be really stuck in due to the type of hair or the vehicle's carpet, so I'm glad this isn't too painful for me today. Alright, well, here's the next addition to the growing hairball, and all I have to say here is that this is just crazy. Here's the massively disgusting hairball I pulled out of this truck, and this is easily the biggest one that I've ever had. Yikes. Working my way around the truck, and it might be a little hard to tell, but the carpets were dirtier anywhere that wasn't covered by a rubber floor mat, including underneath the driver's seat here, and seeing how dirty the rest of the interior was, it's pretty crazy to see that the carpet underneath the floor mats was nearly in pristine condition, which speaks volumes to how well rubber floor mats work. Here's the dirty and somewhat greenish water pulled from the truck today. Gross. Now for this Harley badge and snakeskin leather on the center console, I'm spraying on some APC diluted 10:1 and hitting it with the steamer, especially around the edges of the badge where the dirt has collected, and in a matter of about 1 minute, it's perfectly clean and looking brand new again. Now for all these gross storage bin inserts and cup holders I removed earlier, hitting them with steam is the only viable way to get them clean, but adding in the all-purpose cleaner makes it almost effortless as the grime just melts away. Okay, with the interior clean now, I'll move back outside and apply some of my Detail Geek synthetic paint sealant to this truck, which is going to boost the depth and make this black paint shine like crazy. And if you're curious, yes, you can apply this either by machine or by hand. I just choose to do it with my polisher as it's far quicker.